How to do an end of year award ceremony with your class. Well, here we are again. It's that time of year. It's the end of the school year, and you want to celebrate your time with your class in a fun way. A class award ceremony is the way to do it. And so, without further ado, let's see how a class award ceremony can end your school year in style. First off, it's nomination time. You need to come up with a list of awards you want to give out to your class. This could include some funny awards that are maybe an inside joke from this year, or you could also do some more serious awards to praise some outstanding achievements. Alternatively, you could use our end of year awards voting sheet for most likely to. Simply print off one of these for each pupil in your class, and then they can make their votes. Once the votes are in, then it's time for the ceremony itself. You might want to make a big show of this and go all out. And if you really wanted to, you could order some toy Oscars online or print off some certificates like these. You could really make a Friday afternoon of this. Get your children really excited about the event so they're really looking forward to it. I can promise you the award ceremony will be a great hit. Your class will love the build up to each award. Hosting tonight's awards is the one and only Mr. Shaw, and the nominees are... Have a great end of year, and please share your award stories with us in the comments below.